154 species in genus Chenopodium. November 10th. Chenopodium. Chenopodium, the goosefoot plant, represents November 10th. Chenopodium symbolizes adaptability and resilience. You are resourceful and thrive in difficult situations. Like its versatile nature, you find strength in the most unexpected places. Chenopodium, a closer look at goosefoot. My name is Ferb Vu, and I've always been fascinated by the diversity of the plant world. Lately, I've become particularly interested in the genus Chenopodium, more commonly known as goosefoot. These plants, often dismissed as weeds, are actually quite remarkable in their adaptability and uses. They can be found almost anywhere in the world, thriving in a variety of environments. What is Chenopodium? Chenopodium is a genus of herbaceous flowering plants belonging to the Amaranthaceae family. The name goosefoot comes from the shape of the leaves, which resemble the foot of a goose. These plants are typically annual or perennial herbs, although some can be shrubs or even small trees. They are characterized by their small, green flowers and often have a mealy or powdery appearance due to the presence of tiny hairs on their leaves and stems. Species within the Chenopodium genus. The Chenopodium genus is incredibly diverse, with over 100 recognized species. See full list at monsteraholic.com. The importance of Chenopodium. While some species of Chenopodium are considered weeds, the genus as a whole plays a significant role in both ecological and human contexts. Ecological importance. Chenopodium species are often pioneer plants, meaning they are among the first to colonize disturbed areas. This makes them important for soil stabilization and the prevention of erosion. They also provide food and habitat for a variety of insects and animals. Human importance. Several Chenopodium species have been used by humans for centuries as food sources, medicinal plants, and even for their ornamental value. Food. As mentioned earlier, Chenopodium album and Chenopodium quinoa are important food sources, providing essential nutrients. Other species, like Chenopodium berlandieri, have historically been used for their edible seeds or leaves. Medicine. Chenopodium ambrosiioides is well known for its medicinal properties, particularly in the treatment of intestinal worms. Other species have been used traditionally to treat a variety of ailments, including skin conditions, digestive issues, and respiratory problems. Ornamental. Some Chenopodium species, with their attractive foliage and unique growth habits, are cultivated as ornamental plants in gardens and landscapes. Challenges and future prospects. Despite their importance, some Chenopodium species are facing challenges due to habitat loss, climate change, and the use of herbicides. However, the increasing recognition of their nutritional and medicinal value, along with their ability to thrive in diverse environments, suggests a promising future for these versatile plants. My personal interest in Chenopodium. I'm particularly interested in the potential of Chenopodium species to contribute to sustainable agriculture and food security. Their adaptability and resilience make them ideal candidates for cultivation in marginal lands and under challenging conditions. I believe that further research into the nutritional and medicinal properties of these plants could lead to the development of new and valuable resources for human health and well-being. In conclusion, the genus Chenopodium is a fascinating group of plants with a rich history and a promising future. From the nutritious quinoa to the medicinal worm seed, these plants have played a vital role in human societies and continue to offer valuable resources for food, medicine, and ecological restoration. I'm excited to continue learning more about this diverse genus and its potential to contribute to a more sustainable and healthy world.